Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Scalene triangle.
What does the dictionary say?
A triangle that has 3 unequal sides.
Math rap.
A scaling triangle is like me and you. Different sides and lengths. The angle too. So no sides of a scalene are equal, and of the angles there is no sequel.
Math rap.
What triangle is an avid climber? Scalene. It's always scaling mountains. What kind of triangle is always making things bigger and smaller? A scaling triangle. Explain scaling triangles in your own words. Draw 10 different size scaling triangles. List examples of everyday things shaped like scaling triangles. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!